explain to me my first question actually is, how old is your source about women's IQ?
It is June 22nd, 2012.
Okay. My source has women being 1 point or higher better than men on IQ tests, according to Mr. Flynn, who is one of the most high up in IQ tests. How can you say that boys and girls are equal in the Olympics and in athletics when in the Olympics boys do not compete against girls?
They're still doing the same sports, aren't they? As I stated in my case,
And
all sports, there's no male-only sports anymore.
And did you not say in your case that men are still beating women in the Olympics as far as sports, as far as times? You gave a time and you said that girls are still trailing, but they're coming on.
No, I said they were
close.
10% close. They're getting closer to men's records.
But men are still beating them, correct?
But they're still close. They're progressing every year in
Yes
the
or no?
Olympics.
Men are still beating them in the Olympics, correct? And I would, never mind. Wouldn't you agree that men definitely have more muscle and more body mass after puberty? Do you agree with my source on that?
I guess it depends on the person.
Okay. And how do you come to the conclusion that men and women, or girls and boys are both equal in academics?
As I said in my speech, there's no research, there's no evidence that says women are smarter than men or men are smarter than women.
I have research, so there clearly is. If that's true, then how do you discredit the fact that boys are beating women girls are beating boys by over 10% in reading? If there's no evidence, if they're both completely equal in academics, then how are girls defeating boys by 10% in the reading subject?
I didn't say they were completely equal. I said they were able to do academics. When you say completely equal, you mean equal in everything, such as reading and math. But you have to look at both genders. They each have their special qualities. Women are good at words and vocab, and men are good at spatial skills.
But more women graduate college, so clearly wouldn't you say that they're
As I pointed out in my speech, more women and men are going to college, and just because you look at one four-year college, it has more women, you have to remember that both women do well and struggle, and men do well and struggle as well. And you also have to look at men are the majority